Hi there, this is our Colchester Master 2500 lathe, well-known lathes. This one is the headstock clutch version. It's got a quick change tool post, fixed steady. You'll see from the photos its condition. It looks original to me. And we'll start from this end with the tailstock. That's moving along nicely, in and out good. That lock's working. It feels pretty good on the inside there. Carriage itself feels nice to move. Cross slide feels good to move, and very little movement there. Compound slide moves good, and about a quarter of a turn movement in that. I'll start it up. That's the coolant pump switched on there. You won't be able to hear that running. I haven't put coolant in it, but the pump itself's running. I'll run you through the gearbox first, and we'll get that going. So lead screw and feed shaft changes. That's all working nicely. I'll engage that lead screw. I haven't got it in gear properly. So that's the lead screw engaged there, going away from me, and then I'm just going to change that direction and head it back towards me now. So there's the feeds engaged, and the carriage is slowly coming towards me. And cross slide going away from you. So those are the feeds there. I'll put that in neutral and run you through some of the speeds. So that's our slowest speed there, and forward. It's got the emergency brake there, so that's 30 RPM. Next one's 40. $54. $72. I'll take that up to the next range, and 98. $130. $175. $235. Bump that up to the next range. $320. $425. $570. $770. Last range. 1030. 1860. Last one, 2500. I'll show that in reverse. So that's pretty much all of the speed ranges in the headstock there, and pretty much all to demonstrate. So yeah, Colchester, good solid brands, they go forever, and this one's all set to go.